In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Bitrix24. If you're using Bitrix24 for your business, personalizing it to suit your regional settings, including the currency is crucial for a seamless operation. Whether you're new to Bitrix24 or looking to update your settings, I'll guide you through each step to change the currency in your Bitrix24 CRM. Firstly, let's start at the very beginning. After signing into your Bitrix24 account, you'll land on your main feed. This page might look a bit overwhelming with a lot of information and updates, but it's essentially the nerve center of Bitrix24, where all your updates and notifications live. To get started with our mission of changing currency, you'll need to navigate away from this page. From here, locate and click on the CRM button. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management section of Bitrix24, is where you can manage all your company's interactions with current and potential customers. It's a powerful tool for managing sales, customer support, and everything in between. Now, within the CRM section, you'll spot a gear icon symbolizing settings. Click on this to dig deeper into the configurations of your CRM settings. The settings section allows you to customize your CRM experience, tailoring it to your business processes and preferences. Once you're in the settings area, you'll need to locate and click on CRM settings. This submenu houses all the granular settings that affect how your CRM functions, covering everything from the fields in your CRM forms to automation rules that can save you time and hassle. With the CRM settings open, your next step is to click on currency. This option lets you manage money matters within your CRM, ensuring that all transactions, deals, and invoices align with the currency most relevant to your business operations. Now you've reached the point where you can select your preferred currency. Bitrix24 supports a range of currencies, allowing businesses across the globe to utilize this tool effectively. Once you click on currency, you'll see a list of available options. Take a moment here to scroll through and find the currency that best suits your business needs. After selecting your desired currency, the changes will take effect immediately across your CRM. This means that from now on, all your transactions, invoices, deals, and financial summaries within Bitrix24 will reflect this chosen currency. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning a few additional tips to ensure you make the most out of your Bitrix24 experience. Always remember to double check that the correct time zone is also set in your account settings to avoid any confusion or scheduling mishaps with clients in different geographic locations. Additionally, consider exploring other customization options within the CRM settings to further tailor your Bitrix24 environment to your business's unique processes and goals. Changing the currency may seem like a small tweak, but is one that can greatly improve the accuracy of your financial management and reporting within Bitrix24. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure that your Bitrix24 account is perfectly aligned with your business's operational region and financial practices. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change the currency on Bitrix24. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we invite you to explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks to optimize your Bitrix24 experience.